Hello everybody, welcome back to the shed. Got some progress done. Time to make another video to show you where we're at. Got the fuselage formers all cut. Well, all cut. There's about 3 more I gotta do yet. Got the crutches all set up where they're supposed to be. Got everything marked out. Nothing's glued. They're just sitting in there right now. And what I'm going to do is I'll take it all apart and I will take the paper off of them. Sand it all down for a little final sanding and make sure everything's lined up nice and straight. It actually turned out fairly decent. I mean, it's not bad at all, to be honest with you. It's pretty straight as it sits. But that's what 35 formers look like, stuffed into about a 48-inch spot. There's a ton of them, and it was a pain. That balsa was really something to mess with. That should have been made out of some type of lighter plywood. But I made the crutches on top a little bit longer. And I'll file them down, sand them down after I plank it. This whole thing has to be planked. That's where we're at right now. So we got where the wing is going to mount underneath, all the way up to the front here, F7 right here, where our landing gear will, our retracts will sit. I've got it cut out for them yet. In fact, I don't know if you can see, it's dark, but they give you the lines where you got to cut out for your landing or your front nose gear. I had to cut all that out. Put forms across, or spars, or whatever you want to call them, across here for the cockpit, the windows. There we go. So that's what we look like now. So right now we've got the stabilizer, horizontal stabilizer, sitting ready to go. There's the blocks in the back. I haven't put them in yet, but there's some holes in the back where the stabilizer sits. Still got it cut out, a couple of spots there and there. But like I said, nothing's glued, nothing's straight. It's just sitting in there to roughly where it goes. I've marked all the locations to where the formers go. You can see that on the crutches. But I put center lines on all the formers, and it turned out pretty straight. But I know nothing's glued. It's probably hard to tell looking down that line down there, but it's really not bad. But it'll get a lot straighter. But it's really not bad at all. It turned out really nice. So to this weekend, I'll start gluing and get everything going. I'm going to have to order some landing gear, some retracts for it. So the next video, I should have the fuselage. I'll make one more video before I plank it. I should have the fuselage completely formed. All the braces going across. The floor sits, the cockpit floor sits right across those flats. You can see them where they're open, obviously, all the way to underneath 11A. And I should have all that done for the next video. I'll have all these glued. I'll have the cockpit floor in. I'll have ordered the landing gear. I think I already know what I'm going to get, but I'm not 100% sure. I'll glue everything up to right about here, probably F7. I'm not going to glue because that's where I got to mount the landing gear. That's the 1/8-inch plywood. I probably won't glue from 11A forward, so I can remove all that and cut out where the wheel well goes for the nose gear. But that's what it looks like with all the formers in line. So tonight I'm going to take the paper off it all, take it all back out, take it all back apart, give everything a nice sanding, finish up all the insides where I got it cut. I got to think about where I'm going to run the push rods. through, but I can do that after I get all that. I'm not really worried majorly about that. I've got to go get a 1/4 inch piece. There's 3 of these I got to finish. I've got the wood to do this one. That's 1/8 inch, but this 3/32 inch ply laminate, I don't have that, or I don't have enough 1/4 inch balsa to finish that one. So I'm going to have to go get that, and we'll get that tomorrow. So the next video, everything should be glued up and ready to go. So just a short one to show you where we were at. That's it. Alright guys, thanks for the comments. You want to know anything, you want to leave some messages, whatever if you like it, hate it, whatever. Alright, thanks a lot. See you later.